My name's Skylar and son of a... Cut! Hello everybody, I'm God, come on man! Hello everybody! My name's Skylar, and if you're watching this, I'm probably already gone to college. Today I'm going to show you what SWAT is all about. As a member of SWAT, we like to do a lot of things. The main priority is to help students and teachers with anything related to technology issues that we can take care of to the best of our abilities. Also, as a member of SWAT, we get access to the green screen, which is right behind me. Come on in. You'll see a little room with a desktop computer in it and a couple monitors. That's where I usually hang out at to edit videos. And straight ahead is where we record with all of our soft lights and green screen and desk. And welcome to the SWAT closet. Office. Here we are in the SWAT closet, the SWAT office. The purpose of this room is to get any information on assignments for the day and whatever other issues we have to fix for the class period. It's quite an energetic experience to deal with. As you can see, things in SWAT are just perfect. Problems like this can be fixed like this. See? That worked great! Now, just so we're clear here. You gotta know some stuff about technology. Don't think you can get by with just knowing some fairly basic stuff. You gotta know something here. And please, for the love of God, don't forget, Chrome is so much better than Edge.